Shalom, my mighty mitzvah makers. Rabbi Socks here, fresh from the dryer, fluffy around the edges, and ready to sprinkle some Torah wisdom right onto your table. This week's Torah portion is called Va'era. It means, and I appeared. That's Hashem saying, I'm here, I see you, and I'm about to do something awesome. And believe me, my little menches, Hashem does a lot of awesome in this one. Now, Va'era takes us deep into Mitzrayim, where Bnei Yisrael, the children of Israel, are still stuck in slavery. They're tired, they're hurting, and sometimes they don't even feel hopeful anymore. Now Moshe goes to Pharaoh and says, hey, let my people go. But Pharaoh's heart is stubborn, like a sock that refuses to come out of the dryer. So Hashem sends signs, big, powerful signs. We call them plagues. Water turns to blood. Frogs hop everywhere. And can you imagine frogs on all your shoes? Gnats, flies, sickness, hail, one after another. And Hashem shows that he is stronger than Pharaoh, stronger than false gods, and stronger than fear. But there's a tricky part. Even when Hashem is working, freedom doesn't come all at once. Pharaoh keeps saying no. And sometimes the people feel really disappointed. Yet Hashem keeps his promises. Step by step, miracle by miracle, he's getting his people ready to leave slavery behind, not just on the outside, but on the inside too. And right in the middle of all this power, Hashem reminds Moshe who he is, the one who keeps his word, the one who remembers his covenant, the one who shows up even when it feels like nothing is changing yet. So what can we learn, my little menches? Number one, Hashem keeps his promises, even when it takes time. Just because you don't see right away doesn't mean Hashem isn't working behind the scenes. Number two, big miracles can come in messy packages. Sometimes growth is uncomfortable. In fact, most of the time it's even painful. But it is still good. Number three, freedom starts on the inside. Before Bnei Yisrael could leave Mitzrayim, they had to start believing that they were worth saving. Something the Master said always warms my heart. No one has greater love than this, that he laid down his life for his friends. And you are my friends. That's amazing. Number four, when things feel hard, Hashem is still near. Va'era reminds us that Hashem appears, he shows up, especially in dark places. In Hashem's name, our Master reminded us, behold, I am coming soon, and my reward is with me, to pay each one according to his deeds. And that's very comforting, no? So remember, my courageous hearts in training, when life feels stuck, when answers feel slow, or when hope feels wrinkled like a sock at the bottom of the hamper, Hashem has not forgotten you. He is the God who appears, who keeps his promises, and who leads his people from slavery into freedom. Well, that's it for this week's Socks on Your Table. Until next time, keep your heart soft, your courage strong, and your socks full of shalom, because even the smallest feet can walk in the biggest mitzvot. Shalom!